Welcome back, everybody. We're ice fishing and we're slamming the salmon. We're gonna take those home and smoke them. But I brought the Blackstone Camp Griddle with me today. Let's make a delicious Colorado Venison Pretzel burger. Ground Colorado mule deer. If you haven't already watched the hunting videos, get back there and check those out. 2 deer camp cooking videos here on the Blackstone channel and a comprehensive video with the full harvest on the Todd YouTube channel. I did this with 80% venison and 20% beef suet, beef fat. Check out this cool knife my wife got me a couple years ago. Found it up in Jackson, Wyoming when we were on vacation a couple years ago. It has a really cool silver elk inlay. Pretty sweet. Nothing like organic venison that we harvested right here in Colorado and cooking it up in the great outdoors. Oh man, getting hungry. Not sure how we're gonna make these yet. Let's see what kind of patty I want to make. Maybe something like that. Fire up that camp griddle, avocado oil, and down with the patties. SPG. Only been a few minutes. I think we are ready to flip. My idea for the recipe, I found these beautiful pretzel hamburger rolls in the store. Check these things out. My goodness, they are nice. I like to go with a little bit of mayo or a little bit of butter inside the rolls, down with thin slices of cheddar cheese. And I can turn that heat all the way down. Everything's looking really good here. I'm gonna scoot the burgers aside and we'll start toasting our rolls. And that's what we're looking for. Some nice color on the rolls. And I have an idea. I'm gonna put some butter down on the griddle top. I'm gonna get a whole butter bath going on. My idea is to take the top of the crown, put it down in the butter like this. Get a nice amount of butter. Then I'm gonna try to sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on top. See, that really sets that pretzel roll apart. I think we'll put a little bit of mayo on the heel. Double stack of Colorado venison patties, and we'll just keep stacking them up one after another. And everybody knows mustard goes with pretzels. A little bit of mustard on top, followed by the pretzel crown. Oh, I wish you could be here with me. We're gonna be eating good on the lake today. And take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let's cut one of these in 2. Oh my goodness, check out that cross section. Let's give it a try.
This is amazing.
I have to give another huge shout out to Stefan, because this year when I was applying for my deer tags, I didn't know what unit I wanted to go to, and he told me what unit to go to. That's the unit where I got the buck and the 2 does, and that's what we're eating right now, baby. We need to eat right now, but thanks for joining us here in Summit County, Colorado. If you want a Blackstone Camp Griddle, you can pick it up at Walmart, walmart.com. Shout out to my buddy Stefan, Catchin Dinner, C-A-T-C-H-N dinner. Of course, got kids here with me today. Until next time, Todd, my kids, and my buddy Stefan. Praise the Lord and pass the burgers.